DegreeWorks is a platform that tells you what classes you need to take to graduate from ECC. It shows what classes you've taken, what classes you're currently taking, and what classes you need to take in order to finish your whole degree and graduate. Each semester, before you register for classes, you should use DegreeWorks to determine what classes you should take next. You can also use DegreeWorks to plan ahead so you'll know what you'll need to take 1 or 2 or 3 semesters in the future. The exact classes you need depend on your major, and your DegreeWorks profile will list the classes for the major you choose. In this example, the student is a biology pre-medicine major, listed right here. And if we scroll down, we will see that DegreeWorks lists the requirements for the biology pre-med major. Your DegreeWorks profile will list the classes that you need to do for the major you chose. The classes are grouped together in specific categories. These categories are general education requirements, major requirements, and a few other requirements and sections that we'll discuss in another video. The bottom line is, to graduate from Essex County College, you must finish all the requirements for your major, and you'll always be able to find these in DegreeWorks. If you plan to change your major at some point, or if you are applying to a special program like nursing or cybersecurity, you can use the special What If feature. This feature allows you to view what classes you'll need to complete that major or that program, and it also shows you how the classes you've already completed or the classes you're currently taking will be applied towards the requirements for that new major. So to summarize, DegreeWorks has a list of all the classes you need for your major. You can refer to this throughout your time at ECC to figure out what you need to take, and your academic advisor can provide clarification if you have any questions about meeting specific requirements or choosing one course versus another.